Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can mirror objects in Bambu Studio. Now basically, I'm going to use this example model right here. And to mirror your object, it's going to be extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to actually put your model onto the plate. And right after, you just want to make sure that the object is selected. From there, right click on it. And then there's going to be a lot of options, but you specifically want to look for the mirror option. Now we have different options to mirror our object, basically along the x-axis, y, and z. In my case, I'm going to be choosing y. And then basically from there, it will now mirror the objects onto the y-axis. Now what you can do is to copy paste the object, and let's apply the mirror effect onto the second one, which will then look something like this. As you can see with this one, it's along the y. With this one, it's along the x-axis. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.